In this video, I will show you how you can take screenshots on any iPad. Now there are three main methods to do that. For the first method, just press the side button and the volume down button at the same time. Now as you can see, at the top of the iPad, you will find the volume buttons. Just press the volume down button with the side button. And after you do that, you will be able to capture a screenshot on your iPad. For the second method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Touch. From here, just tap on Assistive Touch. Then enable the toggle for Assistive Touch on your iPad. Now under Custom Actions, just tap on Single Tap. And from this menu, just scroll down and look for the option for Screenshot. And after you find the option for Screenshot, you will be able to capture a screenshot by just tapping on the Assistive Touch. Just like that. Now this was the second method. For the third method, under Settings, just tap on Siri, then tap on Talk to Siri. Now just make sure that you have set up Hey Siri or Siri and Hey Siri, and after you do that, you will be able to take a screenshot using Siri. For that, just say, Hey Siri, take a screenshot. As you can see, we have successfully captured a screenshot using Siri. Now all these screenshots which we have captured, you can view them in the Photos app, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.